a shit there. Bird shit. This is a big green egg. What is this? This is this glass earth house. It's like magic. There's one more here. You can't really see it. So that's nice. So there are kind of hammocks here. Oh, let's try it out. I'll perch it here. Okay, beat that. That's the best public space ever. Birds are thinking, and you can go out and just lie in the hammock. Let's explore the rest. Now I'm going to sleep. It's really relaxing. So here you can hide from the, if there is rain, you can come here, have your food, you can even charge your mobile phone, you see, read your books. And enjoy how people are in the hammocks over there. So, and there are a lot of hammocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hammocks. Now, obviously, because of the construction, things are a bit disturbed. But can you hear the birds? There are a lot of birds everywhere. So you can see that there are a lot of parking spots, but still they have a lot of trees. They have planted a lot of trees too. So, for example, we are entering another green area. So that is really good way to approach the public spaces. Take a look. You see? Park, trees. These are new trees planted lately. Over there you can see the parking spots too, but it's amazing. Here is a smaller office building. A lot of benches, one bench over there. Here another bench. Here you have these kind of benches, you see? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can have watching there the high rises and sunbathing. Amazing. And listening to the birds. That is the sound of an airplane. The airport is over there. So, did you hear that? Airport. So the plane was accelerating on the airstrip. So, and that's not it. You can also come and smoke here. Closed smoking room, especially for smokers. Don't get too close. And another bench. There is a bus stop. Here you can charge your electric vehicle. It is 120 amps. This is 32 amps charger. And here's El Morente. And that's not it. We're now going to the even bigger park area, which is even better. More El Morente, more electric cars. And this road, it looks like wood, but it actually is not, it's concrete. So here you have also benches. Also you can sit, have your food, buy it if you want from the shop, or sit here. There is also like a small lake to cool you down. This is kind of an old water mill or something. Few office buildings. But the area is really cool. I like it. It's green, it's made for people. Another bench if you want to have sunbathing. You see? So, what do you think? I give to this public space the maximum number of points possible. Let's explore a little bit more. Here is also a lot of benches over there, and obviously those benches, they can be moved around too. You see, they're not fixed. Okay, that's it from Ülemiste, how it's called, Smart City, the Silicon Valley of Estonia. Here another alley, you see, with fresh trees, not fresh, but like maybe 1-2 years trees. And there you have another small park with places to sit. This building there is a shop, silver shop. It's closes at 8. You can see the sign. And here's the park. Another park with grass, everything. And here you can sit or climb, I don't know. And back there is a very big mural. Let's go. Let's go and see this huge mural. It's the biggest mural in the Baltic states. Just a moment, flip. This parking lot has also the potential to be another office building if they need to expand. because they have already built a parking house. You see, it's a huge mural, and it's very beautiful. This mural is very beautiful during sunset. So let's finish our today's trip at Ülemiste City, just in front of this biggest mural in the Baltic states. And you heard there was a very loud motorbike. So see you in the next part or next video. One more thing. This Ülemiste center, the biggest positive thing why they are so successful is first, the design is really good. They have a lot of office spaces and very nice design for the areas in between. You saw parks, you have everything you need. And the other thing is that they offer office spaces for like IT companies who maybe today you need a small space, but you have the option to increase the area very quickly. So you start with 2 people and then you need maybe 1,000 square meters. Here you can have it. So that is they saw it in the beginning. That was their business plan. They stuck with it, and now 2 billion euros a year of turnover is generated in this Ülemiste city. So this is a lot. This is a lot, especially given the size of Estonia. But okay, that's it. See you in the next video. I have to go home. Do you see this sign? Elagu NLKP. Let me just zoom. This is some long leaf NLKP. I don't know, I have to look it in the dictionary, but it's something to do with the Communist Party or something. These signs are under protection, so they has to stay in that building. And they are under protection, so we can preserve the cultural heritage. Not that we like the communist past, but it is what it is. It is part. Let it stay. Remind us how it was and how we don't want it back. Okay, that's it.